Good morning everyone, and welcome back to ABC4 News. I am your host, Eric Smith. Let's see the top stories for today. Our first story is how two individuals by the name of Keon and Pluto have been sentenced to life in prison for 20 counts of arson. Secondly, a famous person known as Christian the EAS guy was shot dead in a block. And finally, a local Super Smash Bros. Tournament is happening soon. Now to the weather. Today is gonna be a sunny with no clouds. That's all we have for now. Stay tuned for more news later today.
Isn't this so fun? We're just chilling in the woods.
I know, it's so much fun.
Guys, I'm getting pretty nervous about this.
Why are you so scared, Sam?
Yeah, why are you so scared, Sam?
Well, what if there are monsters out here?
Monsters? Seriously? What are you, 5?
Calm down, Sammy. There isn't any monsters out here.
But it's dark out in the woods though. What if we get attacked by a bear or something?
Stop being a chicken, Sammy. There isn't any monsters.
Wait, what was that noise?
I heard it too.
Guys, I'm getting very scared now.
Sammy, calm down. It was maybe the wind. Wait, where did Emma go?
Oh no, this is bad, real bad. Let's get out of this forest now.
Agreed, let's dip. Wait, what the hell is that?
This is an Amber Alert from the Salt Lake City Police Department. Everyone, we need your help. At approximately 10 p.m., 3 kids has gone missing. The first one is a white male with black hair, black eyes, approximately 5'8", and was last seen wearing a white shirt, blue shorts, and white shoes. The second one is a white female, brown hair, brown eyes, approximately 5'5", and was last seen wearing a black shirt and black pants. The last one is a black male, approximately 6'1", with black hair and brown eyes, and was last seen wearing a red shirt and black shorts. They were said to be last seen in the woods. Everyone, if you see these kids, call 911 immediately. We will continue to have more information about this as this news progresses. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Salt Lake City Police Department. We have more updates now. There is a mysterious man teleporting around the city and kidnapping children. Some police managed to get a description of this individual. This tall man has a black tuxedo, black pants, black shoes, and has white skin, and had tentacles on his back. If you see this man, call 911 immediately.
Good morning everyone, and welcome back to KUTV2 News. I am your news anchor, Evan Hart. Let's start off with the news today. As we all have heard, last night, a bunch of children were kidnapped by a mysterious man. We have finally identified its name. The mysterious man is called Slenderman. Slenderman has said to kidnap at least 8 kids. We are hoping that the police can stop this kidnapper. Wait, what's that sound? Is that explosions? Oh no. Activate the emergency alert system now.
A civil danger warning has been issued for the city of Salt Lake City. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Salt Lake City Police Department. Slenderman, who is the person responsible for kidnapping children, has been recently spotted teleporting and planting bombs across buildings and setting them off. A bunch of destruction and damage to the city has been caused because of this, and also, many civilians either have been injured or killed from the explosions or the debris from the explosions, or gone missing. Do not go outside. Seek immediate shelter and stay away from windows. The police are trying to contain the situation as this progresses. An immediate evacuation has been issued for the city of Salt Lake City. The following message has been issued at the request of the Salt Lake City Police Department. It has been detected that Slenderman has launched a missile to the city of Salt Lake City, and in about 10 minutes, it will destroy the city. The only thing we can do is evacuate the city and get away from the missile. The governor of Utah is sending civilians messages to flee the city and find somewhere safe. This is a dangerous situation and hope can be resolved. God bless Salt Lake City.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Civil danger warning has been issued for the city of Buffalo. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Buffalo Police Department. Slenderman, the same being who destroyed Salt Lake City, has been recently spotted in the city and is detonating bombs around buildings and killing civilians. Everyone, stay in your homes and do not leave. Seek shelter if necessary and do not go outside. The police is trying to contain Slenderman. Keep your radios on as this problem develops. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Slenderman has sent 20 nuclear bombs to the states and will hit them in 20 minutes. These states that will be hit are Alaska, Idaho, Massachusetts, Nevada, Wisconsin, Tennessee, New Hampshire, North Carolina, Texas, New Mexico, Kansas, California, Indiana, Delaware, Montana, New Jersey, South Carolina, Florida, Alabama, and Maryland. If you live in any of these states, seek a fallout shelter now. Long exposure to nuclear fallout will result in severe sickness or death. It can take a minute for the fallout to spread. Shelter in place instantly and gather the necessary supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, flashlight, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries. Please stay safe during this. We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the White House. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At this time, do not turn off your TV, because it will contain a global crisis at around 1 p.m. Slenderman has sent a giant asteroid to hit Earth within the next few minutes. This asteroid can cause super tsunamis to form, mega earthquakes will occur, and the sun or moon will be blocked for 10 years. Because of this, the extinction of the human race will occur because of this event. All residents must do the following instructions. Gather with your loved ones, such as family, friends, pets, and await for certain death. There is no reason to stay calm anymore. Go into panic mode if you want to. We will now conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system with our final play of the national anthem. God bless you guys, and God bless the United States of America.
Потому что по ночам подушку плачет и опять скучает о нем. Не звони, ты пусть.